Hi there, students. Felicity and infelicity, nouns. Felicitous and infelicitous, the adjectives. Felicitously, infelicitously, the adverbs. Okay, let's see. Felicity first is a girl's name. Felicity means happiness. Yeah? So it was with great felicity that I received your letter. Okay, this sounds rather literary. Now, infelicity, unhappiness. It was with great infelicity that I could not continue to work in that wonderful job. Now notice felicity can be either happiness or it can also be used as luck. Yeah. Now felicitous you can use as happiness, but it's more commonly used to talk about good luck. So I had the felicity. No, I had the felicity of a wonderful situation. It was felicitous that you arrived here on time. Yeah. So I think felicity as a noun, and infelicity. This is talking about happiness and unhappiness. Yeah. You could use it to mean luck, but felicitous and infelicitous, luckily and unluckily. So infelicitously, it started to rain while we were having our picnic. Felicitously, I had enough money on me to pay the bill. Yeah. Felicitously, I was able to succeed. Infelicitously, I arrived too late and everyone had left. Okay, so let me just go through that again. Normally felicity, infelicity, happiness, unhappiness. Felicitous, felicitously, lucky, luckily. Yeah, and infelicitous, infelicitously, unluckily. Although you can use them the other way around, but it's more normal to use them like that. The felicity of the expression on a child's face when you give it a bag of sweets. Yeah. The felicity of walking on a warm spring day when everything is beautiful. Yeah. Okay. Felicitously, there were no problems. Felicitously, I managed to do this properly. But felicity, intense happiness. Domestic felicity. Yeah, the couple looked like were a picture of domestic felicitously. Yeah, I think maybe a good nap after a wonderful meal is one of the felicities of life. Felicity, the state of being happy. Yeah. The small felicities that make our day a wonderful thing. Yeah. And then felicitous. Yeah. It was a felicitous occasion. Lucky and happy. Yeah. It was a felicitous event. It was a lucky event. Felicitously, the parking attendant didn't give me a fine. Infelicitously, the car broke down on the way back from holiday. Okay, so let's see. Formality. All of these words sound rather posh and a bit formal. I think I'm probably going to give them 6.5 in formality. These would sound best in an essay, or if you want to sound a little bit posh, in a literary setting, in a poem or a literary essay. These words would look very nice. Okay, so what about origin? Well, These all they come originally from felicité in French, happiness, yeah, which actually comes from felix in Latin, meaning happy or blessed, yeah, which has actually gone into felicitatem, felicitas, happiness, fruitfulness. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Felicity, infelicity, felicitous, infelicitous, felicitously, my mind's going, enough. Bye for now.